Hello everyone. Have you ever been in a situation where you find this pant which you really love, the right color, the right kind of fabric, everything perfects really well except one small tiny problem. Yes, the waist is too loose, or it was perfect size for you when you bought, you lost some weight and now it's too loose for you. Can you still use this pant? Yes, you can. Today I'm going to show you two different ways how you can alter these two pants using elastic. Let's first alter this one. So this is a pant which has a waist which has elastic. So this is your front side of the pant and this is the back side. So from the back side, from the middle, you're going to mark 2.5 inches from this side to this side, 2.5 or 3, it doesn't matter, to this side. I'm going to put a pin here so you can see. Okay, and then from the center here again to the opposite side, 2.5 or 3 inches. Okay, it's like this. Now at this point you will run couple of stitches from this edge to this edge across. I have put 3 stitches here to secure the elastic, and then do the same thing from this side. Couple of stitches across from this edge to this edge and secure the elastic. Next step, take your seam ripper, or you can use a sewing machine which has a sharp edge. This is your stitch. Go about 0.5 of an inch. Slowly feel the fabric and rip it using the seam ripper. So you can see I already did it. And then now you can see the elastic which is inside. Now you are going to feel this elastic and slowly pull this out. Pull the elastic out. Okay, now the elastic is out. Let's say it needs to be reduced by 2 inches. You will take out about 3 inches of elastic. You will pull it out like this. Go slow. Okay, so since you have a stitch here, now this area is going to become smaller now. You have pulled this elastic, okay, as much as you need. You have it here, and now you have it. Keep it like this. Put a pin. Once you are done pulling the elastic, you will feel this part where, make sure that not the one where the elastic is overlapping, because it's going to be too thick for the sewing machine. Put a stitch in this area, right around in this area. Okay, and then take your sewing needle, hand needle, and put a stitch in this area so that this doesn't stay bulky. Now you can see this is where my stitch is, and now this had reduced in size. So you made the pant which is going to be size for you now, not loose anymore. Okay, let's go get started with the other one. This pant has a regular waistband. How do we alter this? Again with an elastic. So the two techniques I'm going to show you are both involving elastic this time. Again, this one, feel the center. This is the center from the back. 3.5 inches from this side and 3.5 inches from this side. You can see that I have made the mark. Now take your seam ripper, feel only the top part and make a slit here. Once you make a hole, you can use your scissor. Okay, now go to the other side. Take the seam ripper, just make a hole, and then take your sewing machine and make the hole. You have 2 holes here. You have to be very careful that you don't cut to the other side. Now ideally I would use 1 inch elastic or 1.5 elastic. I did not have it, so just to show you, I have this 0.5 inches elastic. So take a safety pin, put it like this, close it. Okay, put it from one hole. We are going to take the elastic to the other side. While you come, so right when you're at the edge, a little bit more. Okay, now when you're here like this, put a pin, take your sewing machine and stitch this area couple times. Run back and forth couple times. Come like this, take your elastic out. Now you can see it became smaller. Put a dot pin. At this point I would highly recommend, even if you have taken the measurement, since this is at your home, you're doing for yourself, try it on you. If this is still loose, remove this pin, pull the elastic a little bit more, put the pin, and then stitch this area couple times. You have your pant, the waist is adjusted. Hope using this technique you'll be able to adjust your pant next time when you come up with such a problem. Thank you.